that's the closest truck stop I can make it to.